What's up, everybody? This is your boy D, straight from Debonair Lifestyle ATL, man. And right now we are in Highway 85 Sneaker Shop. And right now I got my boy, the legend, the GOAT, Black Mamba with me. RIP, man, we miss you. And today we are unboxing the Air Jordan Retro 3, the laser orange. As you can see, it is orange, however, it does look a little yellow. Cause I don't know, man. It's a woman's shoe though, but even though it says laser orange, like I said, it looks a little yellow, kind of like that Laker yellow. So my advice, man, if you got a Lakers jersey, put that with it. As you can see, you get the gold Jumpman or the orange Jumpman. Like I said, it's real crazy like how orange, man, it's really like a high yellow. In the bottom, you see, look at that gray with that laser orange part right there. It says Jordan right there. You can't see it because of the tag. Then you got that Jumpman, that Jordan Air on the back, on the heel. Overall, man, clean pickup. If I were you, I'd get my hands on these. Being that it's Mamba week, represent my boy. Put it together with some Laker gear, and you in there like somewhere. And I know y'all see my last video where I preview these. I ain't even gonna review them. I'm gonna let y'all look at it. I'm gonna let y'all look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it spin. Just watch it, y'all. Like I said, no review. Just look at it. But guess what? They are here. They have been released. These are the Air Jordan Retro 3, the denims. You see that elephant print. It has that denim on it, kind of like a pair of jeans almost. And then that heel tab where the Jordan Air is clear, but behind it, you have that Nike symbol. And I'm gonna show you guys real close, so don't even worry about that. You know, that Jumpman is red. Overall clean shoe. The bottom is white. I don't like that very much because it gets dirty pretty quick. But overall, man, still a clean shoe. I would definitely keep these on ice. The white laces. Oh man, Nike Air on the insole. I'm gonna show you guys real soon, so you can't see it. Don't even worry.
Heard they like the bite. Aight. Catch you lacking on my way, you been hit on sight. Play me a little game. Aight. Leave 'em with no face, no case. Backwoods, I bought a whole case. Straight to the face. Shot lotto bottle my lungs. They hitting for some. You nigga lame, adding some buns. Ain't no change in them, but I changed up to that zap. How much you wanna buy? Quarter pound, got 'em for 11.5. And that's a fact. Put me up some racks, up to the mat. Want that sharp bite, I'm gon' tax. Passing OG, you should be ashamed. I almost floated back down to earth and dropped the scrubs off. I don't want no scrubs around me. I had the dust off. Rolled the shark lotto, and I took back off. Had the dust off. Rolled the shark lotto, and I took back off. Whoa, I'm smoking shark lotto. Lungs got a shark bite, Tesla ride on auto. Whoa, I'm going full throttle. Bad bitch right beside me, she look like a model. Real bad bitch, model behavior, like Tower Banks. She came with the racks.
There you have it. That was the first look at Air Jordan Retro 3, the laser orange, the women's shoe. And we have the Air Jordan Retro 3, the denim. Bro, say it one more time, but say it slow.
And we have the Air Jordan Retro 3 denims.
See all this Kobe gear. It is Mamba week still. Overall, man, let's get it. Let's go. Peace.
With the paper, she came with the hater. She loved the fact that I hang in the cater. Can't roll nigga, I ain't taking no L. Crash out or I'm just going to jail. Kill me a shell, just making a sale. Smoking a shard, just took out a chunk. Packing with fat, just look like a lump. Put rats on your head, I heard turn fed.